My name is Thomas P. Mendoza Jr. Hi, I'm Marvin Isabita from my company's Indian Corporation.
My name is Prince Liger Maranan from First Balfour Procurement.
Hello, my name is Wayman Lulu from Captain Motor Food Supervisor.
Yung nagustuhan ko at sa favorite ko na nagustuhan sa PCC is yung mas mabilis na ma-order ang mga parcel. My favorite benefits from PCC is how to generate the quotation from the parts.com.
And then the PCC, my favorite is yung nandun na lahat yung access, nandun lahat ng part number, and then pati quotation price. Yun.
Ang nagustuhan ko sa PCC ay madaling mahanap yung mga pyesa na kailangan. Lalo na kapag nahihirapan